Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Helen Williams, owner of Blue Diamond Designs. In today's video, I will be doing a Amazon unboxing for a trunk and treat that I have coming up. So if you'd like to see more, stay tuned for the video. Okay guys, so here is what we'll be unboxing today. So let's get set up and let's start opening. Okay guys, so again, we're going to be doing Amazon unboxing, seeing what came in for the trunk and treat. I also did order an outfit. We're doing me and a few other ladies are doing witches for Halloween this year, so in some of these packages you're probably going to see my costume as well. So let's get started. What is this? I don't know. I don't know what this is. We're gonna open it up and find out. I think this is my cape that I ordered to go for my witch. Box all the way. Yes, it is the cape. Yes, my cape. I'm loving it. It is there's a little see-through from the light, but still gonna work. Okay, so here I actually ordered some green chain because I have another project that I'm going to be doing for eagle stained glass. And I needed some bling. Hopefully y'all can see that. See how pretty that is? This is so gorgeous. I love it. Hopefully y'all can see it. And I ordered it in a different size as well, because I wasn't exactly sure what size I wanted to go with this glass that I'm going to be doing. So, oh my god, that is gorgeous. Look at that. I hope y'all can see that. Just amazing. Okay, so that's one box. Let's go to the package next. Y'all, it feel like it's Christmas for me right now. Oh, the choker. Oh, I can't wait. Oh, I can't wait. And this is also for the eagle glass that I'm going to be doing. And it's just like some football bling. Some bling footballs. That is really cute as well. Can't wait to show you guys this. So you have some that don't have bling on it. Hopefully y'all can see that. And then my favorite ones, the ones with the bling. tell me they're not gorgeous. So stay tuned for that video. So package number 3. A little weakling right now. Can't rip it, so that's why I got scissors. Let's see what this is. Oh, okay. I know what this is, y'all. This is for the cup as well. It is these toppers. And they have a little diamond on the top of there. Can you see? Hopefully y'all can see that. I can't wait to do this cup, y'all. Well, actually I have 2 cups that I'm actually making right now. One is for my business, myself, and then another one is for my favorite team. Don't hate on me, okay? Because I do love the Philadelphia Eagles. I know somebody's gonna have something to say about that, but just bear with me. Listen, I grew up on it. Your team is your team. My team is my team. All right. Probably should have opened these boxes and just started at least pre-open them, but it seems like it's more fun just opening them up now while I have it on the phone, because again it feels like Christmas for me. And who don't love opening stuff up for Christmas, right? If you're enjoying this video so far, please don't forget to like, comment, and share. It helps me continue to create content for you guys, and it also let me know that you're liking the content that I am already creating for you. If you have any suggestions on what you would like me to do, leave it in the comments below. Oh my goodness, y'all, it's the cauldron. Look. I thought it was a lot bigger though. I didn't think it was this small, because the picture looks like it's so much bigger. But here's the cotton. I guess it's to make it look like the smoke. And then it comes with the lights, battery operated. And then it gives you the stand. It comes with a cute little bag, so I kind of like it. So let's see. I kind of like it. And they seem to be a little heavy, so I like that. It has a little weight to it, so I do love that fact. All right, we got another box down. Let's see what this one has, y'all. Or should we do the package? Let's do the package, since it's quick. This one actually feels like it is more of my bling wrap for my glass that I'm looking to do. And yes, it is. So, y'all know the colors is black and green for my Eagles. And I'm just going to take it out of this extra paper so you can actually see how beautiful this black rhinestone is. And again, look how pretty that is. Do you see the shine when it hits the light? I cannot wait. So in this box we have some red bling wrap. As y'all can tell, I love bling. And ideals for custom cups always come in my head. But this was just so pretty that I had to get this color. Hopefully y'all can see that through the... And it is the costume, guys. Wait, look. I really love how it came packaged. It is so freaking adorable. So it comes with a pair of socks, as you can see here. It also gives you a broom, the little witch hat, and then you also have the netted gloves and the orange and black tutu. Just gorgeous, just gorgeous. I cannot wait to try this on and see what it looks like. Okay guys, so next we have the apples. So you can't be a witch without giving out poison apples. So I've seen these on Amazon as well. And it was such a cute idea to just fill them with candy. Sorry. Trying to open this thing up. To fill them with candy and pass them out with being a witch. Like I said, you can't be a witch without giving out poison apples. So, and I actually got 2 packs of these, which came in a total of 50. So hopefully we got enough to give out to the kids, at least 100 kids. And then the rest will be just giving out loose candy for the rest of the kids. Here's the second pack. All right, we got this box here, y'all. Hopefully y'all still with me. Hopefully y'all still with me and enjoying me opening up this stuff, because I am really, again, I can't say it enough. It feels like Christmas for me, y'all. So let's see what we got here. This is also for a cup that I decided to do. I'm trying to practice on how to do the ice on the top of the cups with custom tumblers. So I brought these to try. Then I also brought these ones. Tell me these are not gorgeous. And these are from Amazon again, from this company here. Hopefully y'all can see that. From Domstar. And then we have some more bling. Comes with a kit, so that way you can you don't have to worry about the glue, it looks like. And then it comes with the bling right there. Hopefully y'all can see that as well. In this kit, it was supposed to come with black gold and diamond rhinestones. So I can't wait to put this on the cup as well that I'm working on. And let's see what this one is. Oh, okay, so this right here is the tops. Of course, you just have to take the film off of it, and it's supposed to be really clear. It came in a pack of 10. It is actually to put the bling on top of the tumbler, on top of this. So I can't wait to use that. And it comes with the magnets to hold it down. Guys, we're almost to the end. I only have 1 box left. That's so sad. But it has been fun opening up these boxes with you guys. I hope y'all like everything I purchased so far. I know I showed you these already, but I just wanted to show you again. This was from Dom Star, also Amazon, from all of the package, just to let y'all see. And let's get this last box open, y'all. Last but not least, let's see what's in this one. Okay, y'all, they playing with me because it's a box in a box. Please don't do what I just did. Never put the scissors towards you when you're opening up something. Oh. All right. These is one of the things that I've been waiting for, because I want to make my bathroom look pretty. So I decided to order these containers. Look how pretty that is. Look at that. I love these lids. It actually has 4 different size containers, and they all come with lids. But look at that. And I want to fill them up with the stuff in the bathroom, like my laundry detergents, my fabric softeners, my in-wash scent boosters and things like that. So that's why I got these. And again, they come in 4 different sizes. Might be nice if I put the right lid on it. Because that was a blooper. Tell me these is not pretty. And then I'm actually going to add labels onto these. I'll probably show y'all a video of how I set them up in the next video, so stay tuned for that video. And I just want to show you all 4 sizes so you can see how they really look. Okay, so we got one stuck inside of the other. Alright guys, I'm going to try to fight with this one and get it out, and I'll be back. Well guys, it's going to take a little bit of elbow grease to get this out, so I'm going to try to figure out how to get this thing out of here and see if I can use it. If not, I will have to try something else. But if you would like me to, if you have any suggestions on any other videos you would like me to do, again, leave it in the comments below. And as always, thank you for watching. Have a good one.